me pop up again. Too much drip, ooh. Keep it ripped, ooh. Too much drip, ooh. Keep it ripped, ooh.
Hey beauties, it's Nikea here. Back with another video with a little haul for you all. So first of all, you like this face? You like this look? Check out my previous video. I'll link it in the cards or in the description box. So make sure you check it out. But today I just want to come and share with you all how I'm shifting my wardrobe. So recently we moved, if you don't know. So when I was packing, I got rid of a lot of things. When I was unpacking, I got rid of a lot of things. Now that we're kind of organizing and settling in, I'm still getting rid of things. I am shifting my wardrobe. I want my wardrobe to be more simplistic, minimalistic, and just easy. Like, okay, this is what I'm gonna wear. Like if I'm going out, I want people to know, oh, Nikea's probably gonna have that on. And will, because I just want timeless looking, clean fashion. That's my goal. So recently I just made a few purchases from Fashion Nova and Target to help me do that. So now I can go in my closet and get rid of some more stuff, okay? As I grow up in the future, I want to invest into even higher quality pieces, so I won't have to buy them as often. So y'all know Nikea's gonna have a pair of black jeans, light wash, dark wash, maybe some ripped mom jeans, you know, classic white shirts, and something that's gonna last for a while so I don't have to keep repurchasing. But it's a good place for me to start. But before we get into this video, if you haven't already, take one quick second, go down below, click that subscribe button. Once you do that, that bell notification button's gonna pop up. Click that so you never miss an upload. All right, so what I have on today was not a part of the haul, but I got this to go out one night and it kind of inspired this haul. But this is a crop top from the Wild Fable brand at Target. Y'all, they got them for $5. $5 for this cute little crop top. It's nice and stretchy, washes very easily. I had got makeup on it last time. Good. So I've only worn one thing from my little haul. These are the highest rise mom jeans, and this is a size 8. Love these. Love the fit and how they sit. I can't remember if I wore a belt. I probably did because I just like belts. I love the wash of them. Yeah, but this is the acid wash, and they are like, they kind of flood. So they're high-waisted, and they have the distressing on them, which is perfect, in the perfect spots, and I cuffed them at the bottom when I wore them. These are regular high-rise skinnies, and I'll do my best to put the prices on the screen. And so this is an $8.29 regular. This is universal thread. I tried these, but I'm not sure about how I feel about these for the fit, but I did want like a pant that didn't have any distressing or ripping on it, just for versatility. But the fit is a little bit weird in the thighs. Y'all will see when I try it on. But this is a light wash. It says it's fitted hip and thigh and a slim leg. It smooths and sculpts. I think I just have to, you know how when you wear jeans, you just gotta wear them in, let them contour to your body. That's what I need to do. But I do have a year to return these, so we'll see. Got some shorts. They're all high rise, all from Wild Fable. So the highest rise, these are cuffed at the bottom. Love these. I have like 0 shorts for summer. But these are it. A light wash with the cuff. You know, because I want to wear jeans all summer. I'm trying to grow up. But I like the rise. I feel like it's not too much booty showing. And these are also size 8, 29-inch waist. Usually I buy 6s, but your girl I got a little thick. And I was influenced by Jasmine to buy these next 2 pair. They were like $12. They look like underwear. They look like underwear, okay? All right, but they don't fit like that, I promise. So this is in the darker wash. And I love this brand Wild Fable. I love it. And then black. I was contemplating getting white. Might go back and get those later. Here's the black. And they're stretchy. That's the thing, they're stretchy. And I told you about them crop tops. I got them almost every color. So I have this white one on. And this one's a V-neck. I got this olive one. I love this color. And this is just a regular, it's in a regular crew neck. I'm shifting my wardrobe to be very neutral. So browns, black, white, gray, and then my pops of color are burgundy, olive, and mustard. So that's the wardrobe I'm going for. That's my color palette. And then I got the V-neck burgundy. Just love the way it looks on melanin. We have the crew neck black. You gotta have black and white. They didn't have a gray one because I would have got it, and that's on period. And I also went to the store. I got a tan one. I don't have it in here with me, but I'll insert a clip of me wearing it. I went to Virginia and I was in Target. I was like, ooh, the tan one, I like that color. And I think it's a V-neck. I got that one. It's in a fashion haul if you don't go to Fashion Nova. They do make some good jeans, okay? These ones I have on, I've had for a while. You know, they're high waist and they're very like thick and they're good quality. They haven't faded. Every time I touch my pants, my hands will turn blue. But I love the high-waistedness of it. And sometimes I'll pull them down just a little bit if I really want to show my belly. Oh, these are classic mid-rise in dark denim. I feel like these have been on my wish list for a long time. And I wear a 7. Yeah, these are more stretchy, not as stiff as the other ones that I have on. These are just so classic. You can dress up, dress down. So from here, all my bottoms are 7s and tops are mediums. Just so you know. And these are the same jeans, just in black. Because I previously bought 2 pair from Fashion Nova. 2 pair of black jeans. One of them recently, the zipper broke. But both of them were like ankle. They stopped at the ankle. I wanted full length, okay? Full length black jeans. Just love the way these look and the fit and the feel. This is the Wild Fable V-neck tan crop top I told y'all about. My wardrobe about to be like super neutral and just a few pops of color. It's not a game. Your girl is shifting. So you go get rid of some more stuff now. Okay, this is the Kendra crop top in mustard. You know, have my arms out a little bit. It's a racer back, nice soft material. I will say most of their basics from Fashion Nova are really good quality, really good. This is the Street Symphony V-neck bodysuit, and it's a thong. So a panty-free day. But you know something, full, not all crop tops, you know. Can't wear crop tops every day. This material is amazing. I'll put the name of this on the screen. I don't have the packaging that it came in, but it's a bodysuit and it's like a mauve taupe color, but a taupey color, again, neutral, tan. I've already tried it on. I love the way it fits. You know, I'm really keeping it simple, really. This is the same Street Symphony bodysuit. It's just in hazelnut. Hazelnut, that's what it's called. And then lastly, I got this Carly V crop top in charcoal gray. It's kind of a bluish charcoal gray. Well, that is it for today's video, beauties. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you check the description box below for all the links and stuff like that. And before you go, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
All right, they asking for the queen. Look back while I twerk. No comparison. I'm a savage, yeah. Classy, bougie, gadget.